Hello everyone, I'm Anthony Guru, your avatar friend. Today we will show you 4 software programs that will skyrocket your creativity. With their integrated artificial intelligence systems, you can create fantastic videos by simply entering text. Each of these software programs has unique features for artistic video creation. Let's discover them. I'll hand over the floor to you, Jane.
Hi guys. Let's start with RUNWAY. Let's log in, and we can quickly register through email. I want to show you the text-to-video feature, which is just one of the many creative opportunities that RUNWAY offers. Take a look. It provides fantastic creation possibilities for both images and videos. In another video, we'll talk about its other features, but today, let's focus on creating a video from text. Let's take a look. Here, we need to enter a text that describes what we want to create. Let's input a simple text, but we can enrich the proposal with more details if we want. Here are our proposals for Stormy Sea. Let's select one. And here's our video. Now let's explore RUNWAY's creative proposals, which can also inspire our prompts. Let's try developing this proposal. Look at how rich the prompt is, the solutions will be even more targeted. Here are the creative proposals. Let's choose this one. And here's the result. This software is amazing. With the paid plan, at a very low cost, we have the possibility to have all the content in maximum quality and many other benefits for all the other functions the software offers. With GENMO, you can create videos with very interesting artistic effects. Let's register via email. Let's try the text-to-video function right away. We can set the video format. Let's ask it to generate a video of 3 dancers dancing on a frozen lake. Here's the proposal. Now, while doing this operation, we can decide which elements will have animation, so let's select only the area of the dancers. Here, we can adjust the video's length. Here, we adjust the quantity of animation changes. The faster it is, the more animations it will create. Here, we regulate the speed at which the animations will change. Here, we adjust the smoothness of the transitions between the animations. Now, let's proceed with the creation. Here's our video. Awesome! Now let's try another feature. Let's insert an image type that we want to animate. Let's search for an image of a lion. Let's work on this one. Look at how rich the description is. We can also take inspiration for our creations. Let's input the values we want. And here's our video. Lastly, let's not forget to experiment by inserting our own photo. Let's change the values as we prefer and see what comes out. Here's our video. Fun. We can have a lot of fun with this software. SHORTMAKE will help you create viral shorts by simply entering text. Let's sign up with our email. Let's open a new project. Choose a language. And enter the information that describes our video. Let's try creating a video to promote beauty products. We can write the script ourselves or have the software auto-generate it. Look, in just a few seconds, we have our script. Let's add a type of soundtrack. Choose a voiceover. Let's go ahead and create the video. One of the advantages of the paid version is the speed of creation, but if you don't mind waiting for about 10 minutes, you can continue with the free version. Let's watch the result together.
Did you know that beauty products can work wonders for your skin? According to a recent study, using the right skincare routine can make you look up to 10 years younger. Imagine the confidence boost that comes with that. But here's the catch. Not all beauty products are created equal. Some are packed with harmful chemicals that can damage your skin in the long run. That's why it's crucial to choose natural and organic products that nourish and protect your skin. So next time you're shopping for beauty products, remember to read the labels and opt for the ones that truly care for your skin. Your future self will thank you.
Not bad for a first attempt, right? With more detailed information, the result will be even better. With PLAZMAPUNK, you will feel like true artists. You'll be able to add a unique touch of style to your videos. The artificial intelligence of this software has been designed to draw inspiration from all kinds of artistic styles. Let's take a look. To start, let's choose the type of music. We can listen to different proposals. Let's choose this one. Now we need to choose the piece of music we want to include in our video. Let's set the video settings. We can choose a file that the software can take inspiration from. Here we can choose the effects. Let's try the kaleidoscope. Here, we set the style of the video. From this page, we can see the rich artistic offering. The choices are endless. I would love to try them all. Let's try this one, painting. Here's the style of the video, which can be modified to your liking. Let's enter the description of the video we want. Let's try creating a video of men in the forest. If you can't wait for the upload, you can enter your email and you'll receive a notification when the video is ready. Here's our result. Guys, I would call it magical. This software never ceases to amaze.
Thank you, Jane. You've been enlightening. We will never cease to discover the opportunities that the world of artificial intelligence offers us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked our work, leave a like and follow our page to stay updated. See you in the next video.